Sanibel Shell Crafts Fair. So, see how creative there was. Made of all the shells you can find. It's really pretty. All these mirrors have really nice design. I like those. It's a Sanibel Shell Show. Well, he's the one that got first place. Wow, first place. So, and this is the one that got second place. And this is the one that got third place. Pretty, right? Pretty mirror. This one. Look at this one, so pretty. Special delivery. It's a Pandora box. It's all Pandora box, right? All those shells. Ooh, that's a lot of shell.
I don't know if you can touch them or not.
That's pretty. And so arty.
She does ink art on her stamps.
I don't want it, and then go back in.
Create that method.
No, I just took a class.
Oh, you got a first place. Look at that art there. That's pretty. Look at this table made of all the shells. Oh, that's a big one.
Is that an abalone?
That's pretty. But this one here too. Oh, look at that, a lot of shell. It's so hard. An art out of it. Look at that. This one's pretty. Close. Made of shells. Very artistic here. It's a third place. Made of shell. That looks unique. I want him to buy that. All those shells, so pretty. This one here, the flower. This one's all made of shells. It's a small table. That's pretty. This one. Look all the details on this. The little tiny shells. And then they made it into look like a flower. It's beautiful. Like a shell. And he won a second place. Second place. And this is the one who won the first place. It's all white shell. And this is the one that won third place. Third place. It's pretty neat. Very artistic. It's all made of shell. See? Sanibel Shell Show. Yeah. A lot of shells. Art.
This is what you find on the beach.
This is pretty.
This is all. Okay, let me get a picture. One for me and one to share. Right.
Got more here. Whole shell collection.
I'm going to go sit down right now.
They called it a watering pot shell.
I've seen
So pretty.
it. So pretty.
Look at this one. Okay, I think we're done looking all the arts and shells.